Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video viewers, today we will talk about beautiful door hop decoration idea. Door hop are any easy and creative way to decorate your home. You can hang them on your front door, bedroom door, or even use them as wall decorate with just a simple hop, some fabric, flowers, spiders, pumpkins, or lights. You can make amazing designs. Flower hop. The first idea is a flower hop. Take a wooden or metal hop, warp it with green tape or yarn to give a natural look. Then artificial or crochet flower around the bottom half on the hop. You can mix roses, daisies, sunflowers. This will give a fresh and welcome feel to your door. The second idea is the fabric hop. Take a piece of lace, burlap, or printed fabric and stitch it inside the hop. Add a bow or ribbon at the top or hang it with a stitch. It looks very simple yet elegant. Friends, you take a round hop. You can use a wooden hop or even a metal and warp it with black yarn or ribbon to give a dark Hollywood effect. Now let's add a pumpkin. You can see a small artificial pumpkin or make one from felt. A crochet, place it in the bottom of the hop and fix it with glue. Next comes the spider. You can make a spider from black cleaner, felt, or crochet. Place it on one side of the hop. For more fun, add a spider web. To make the web, use white yarn and tie it across the hop in a cross pattern. This will look like a real spider web hanging inside the ring. You can also add small bird leaves or fairy lights to make the hop brighter and more festive. If you like, write a word like bow or happy Hollywood on a